Every time Microsoft drops a new patch, you see this message: install error 080,070,002. Reddit, XC, and forums are full of people venting. Not again. In this video, I'm showing you a universal 3-step method that fixes 90% of all 0x800 series errors. After watching, you won't have to worry about this month's update, next month's, or the one after that. Hey guys, welcome back. Windows Update errors come in all kinds, but after going through hundreds of posts from 2025 and 2026 on forums and Reddit, I found that 080,070,002, 0x80,070,005, 0x80,070,004, 122, 0x800 F991, and 0x800 F81 FFA make up over 60% of complaints, and the fixes are almost identical. Windows Update error codes generally fall into 5 main categories. The most frequent root causes boil down to just 3 things. Your update cache, software distribution folder, is corrupted. The component store, Win6, is damaged. Or services and permissions are being messed up by third-party antivirus or system optimizers. That's why the fix approach is pretty much the same every time. By the way, go to Settings and click View Update History. You'll see exactly which KB failed and the precise HRESULT code. That helps you figure out the problem faster. Microsoft also has an official error code reference table. I've put the link in the description below. If you're hitting a different error code, drop it in the comments and I'll cover it in a future video. Before we do any deep fixes, back up your important data first just in case. I recommend using 4DDiG Partition Manager. It makes it super easy to clone your entire hard drive, back up your system, or upgrade to a larger drive without losing any data. Simple and safe. Method 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. A lot of the time, the simplest fix works best. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Under Most Frequent, find Windows Update and click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions. It only takes about 30 seconds. Give this a try first. Method 2. Reset Windows Update components. If the troubleshooter didn't solve it, this is the big one. It completely clears out the corrupted update cache, so Windows Update can start fresh. Search for CMD in the Start menu, choose Run as Administrator. Then enter these commands, one line at a time, pressing Enter after each. If you get a file and use error when renaming, open Task Manager and end processes like tworker, XC, or WACL, then try again. Once done, restart your computer. Method 3. Repair the system image. Next, we repair the component store, also known as Win6. This is especially effective for 0x800 F81F and repeated failures. Still in an admin command prompt, run these commands in order. You'll need an internet connection. Restart your PC. See when they finish. Method 4. Manually download the KB. If it's still not working, bypass automatic update and install manually. Go to the Microsoft Update catalog, search for the KB number from your update history. Download the correct MSU file for your system version and double-click to install. This fixes a lot of stubborn errors. Bonus, prevention, and advanced tips. To avoid headaches in the future, keep these tips in mind. First, always back up your important files before installing monthly updates. Second, temporarily disable real-time protection in your antivirus tools like 360 or other security suites can scan in the background and block update files. Third, run the DISM and SFC commands I showed earlier once every month or two. It keeps your component store clean and prevents future problems. Fourth, if you are having trouble with important files disappearing due to the error code, try 4DDiG Data Recovery now. 4DDiG is a powerful data recovery software that will come in handy in such cases. It can help you recover lost or accidentally deleted files quickly and safely. After watching this, your update this month should be working smoothly. Drop your exact error code and Windows version in the comments. I can make a more targeted video next time. If this helped, hit like, subscribe. See you in the next one.